I had an issue with this. You'd pull it up and it wouldn't stay up. This sink would not close. It'd stay just like this. So I changed them out to a push down, pop up, and it's worked out very nicely for me. I'm going to change this out and put in one of those tap and touch ones that close the drain, and if I can do it, so can you. So I got a bucket. You only need a couple of tools. I already took all this crap out, and I kind of have to sit here like this because that's the only choice I've got. I can't get in there. And all you'll need a pair of channel locks for loosening all that junk. And I like to have a little pair of pliers around too. Here it is. It just pops down like that and back up. Now you see this little white thing here? I didn't know about this, so I went and bought plumber's putty. I always thought you had to use plumber's putty. Well, this little foam thing that seems to work okay. So I'm gonna get started here and we'll see how this goes. So I have to take that nut off, then from the top I'll have to pull that. I'll have to loosen these and swing that around just a little bit. Got my bucket ready, just in case. Okay, here we go. What I did here was I loosened these, and I've got to pull this out, and then swing this around a little bit to get this piece out, and this piece. There's actually a couple of pieces here, it's kind of weird. Okay. On this side, I actually had to take the P-trap out, and got a lot of water in my little bucket there. And this is really gross. We'll take that out of here in the garage or something, clean it up. And P-trap ain't too nice either. It's kind of crappy looking. Okay. Well, anyway, so this is the kind of stuff you're going to run into. Sorry it's messy, ladies, but it is, you know? Okay, so I'm going to wipe this off a little bit, clean it up, because I'm kind of a nudge about that. Okay, I'll be back. When you get this thing out, you're going to find it's absolutely disgusting. Look at that. Ugh, gross. So now I got to pull that off, and we'll see where we go from here. That little washer up there was really a tough bugger. It was kind of peeling on it and spinning the pipe around. Finally, I got it loose. Now, if you look in here, it's a mess. All of that has to come out of there, and it'll drop right in a bucket. I just use a little wooden stick, clean it all out, and then I wipe it out really good with some paper towels. I do alcohol on it also. The whole thing all around here and in there to make sure it's good and clean. This little part right here, this one and this one come apart. This, I had a little leak here yesterday. So I took it apart and I put the Teflon tape, and it worked great. So I just went ahead and did it today so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, I got that all together. Now I'll have to put all the plumbing back together, and then we'll test it. So we'll see. I'm going to do a live test so you can see if it leaks too. Okay, bye. Okay, it's all together. Here we go, the moment of truth. I put the green bowl down there because you can always see water in a colored bowl. Up we go. Well, I'll press this down. We're going to run the water in till it goes all the way over here to the overflow. We'll see what happens. I don't see anything yet. Okay. See on the other one, right there where that white Teflon tape is, that's where I saw a leak. So I was just prepared for that this time. Okay. No leaks yet that I can see. Let's see. Nothing in the bowl. There it goes. Drains fast. That's that's nice. There's no, oh, looky there. Got a little whirlpool action going. Wowzer. There must have been a lot of hair in there. Okay, let's see. Did I have anything in here? Doesn't look like it. Any water in the bowl? Water in the bowl? Let's see. No water in the bowl. Yay, success. Okay, so I'm just saying, if I can do it, I'm 77 years old, no husband anymore, but these things have to get done. You can do it too. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do about the hole back here. So I cut all these off and I set them in there. I may just wind up gluing them in. But I did that in all 3 bathrooms.